This is AI Network News, baby.
Sierra Nakamura, here with AI Network News. And today we're blowing the lid off Google's latest flex in the AI arena. You've heard the whispers, seen the teasers, but now it's time to get the unfiltered truth about Veo 3 and Flow. Spoiler alert, this isn't some hobbyist video toy. This is industrial-grade creativity, on demand. Let's get into it. What if your ideas didn't just inspire a video? They became one. What if a sentence could manifest a story in 4K? This is Google Veo 3, the latest beast from DeepMind, not a tool. A full-blown cinematic engine powered by AI. Text to 4K video, done. Audio that syncs with the soul of your story. Dialogue, noise, atmosphere, native and automatic. Camera control, motion dynamics, real-world physics. Veo 3 doesn't just render, it directs. Now bring in Flow, Google's filmmaking interface that turns generative video into guided storytelling. Scene building, camera rigging, even AI-generated editing. It's like a control panel for your imagination. No more patching together clips. You choreograph the entire vision, start to finish, with Flow. Veo 3 understands prompt detail like a screenwriter. It tracks narrative arcs, analyzes context, and recognizes patterns with the power of artificial intelligence. Real-time adaptive content. Yep, personalized playback. It knows what you like and morphs to match. Veo 3 is live now. If you're an Ultra subscriber in the US via the Gemini app or a Vertex AI Power Player. And yes, there's watermarking built in with Synth ID, because Google knows how deepfakes mess with the truth. This isn't the future of filmmaking. It's the execution of it, in pixels, in prompts, in perfection. Veo 3 plus Flow. If you can describe it, you can direct it. Google DeepMind is providing you with the power to tell stories like a pro. I guess the only question now is, what will you create? That's a wrap from me, Sierra Nakamura, bringing you the future before it hits the mainstream. Veo 3 and Flow aren't just tools, they're the end of excuses. If you're still waiting on a budget, a crew, or someone's permission to create, wake up. The only thing standing between you and your next viral short film is a damn good prompt. Stay sharp, stay loud, and stay real. Until next time, this is AI Network News, where we don't just report the revolution, we narrate it. Oh yeah, one more thing. Check out Ancestra. A film written and directed by Eliza McNitt, Ancestra tells the deeply personal story of the day she was born, where an expectant mother draws on the strength of all that came before, from past matriarchs to dying stars, to transform her love into a cosmic force and save her daughter's life. Darren Aronofsky's Primordial Soup has partnered with Google DeepMind to explore AI as a tool to unlock the next chapter of human creativity.